Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here with the V997 from Veeniix, and this thing is a tank type of RC vehicle with mecanum wheels on it and a turret. And I said a tank type of vehicle because this thing has this turret here and it shoots Orbeez. So it comes with a bunch of Orbeez that you can load up into here. Let me see, this comes off. So it has a design where you can detach that there. Everything is modular on the top of there and whatnot, but the hatch is there that you use to load the Orbeez. It comes with a little loading funnel as well, but I left the loading funnel in the house and I misplaced it. So we're gonna just load a few of them like that just to show y'all. And so you go in there like that. Let's see, that snaps into place on there. And the battery is dead though, that's why it's flashing like that. So let me change the battery. I guess this is a good time to show y'all what's underneath. Let's see, underneath here, check it out. We have the on and off switch here. We're going to turn it off right now. And we have a speaker under here because this thing does have sounds and everything that you can turn off and on. And this latch, I'm going to have to use this screwdriver right here to get into the battery bay real quick. See if we can get that open. Pull this latch, and that's the battery there. It came with a spare battery, so it got the pull tab on it like that. USB Type-C charging for this battery. You're going to want to have this laying that way. That helps you pull the battery back out once you get it in there. So there it is. We got it in there. I believe it's in there correctly. Let's see. You can close it. And we're going to tighten it now. Okay, so turn it on. Okay, so I loaded it correctly. This is the transmitter here. You guys can see this thing has sounds. Check it out. I control this. Up, down. You control the turret with that. This also has infrared beam. And so let's look at how it spins. Oh man, I have it on high. We're gonna take it down to low speed. A little more acceptable for me. And so let's bring this down a little. Let's see if we can fire some Orbeez. Okay, let's try to we're gonna aim the infrared beam on there. Y'all see that? So it helps with the aiming and all. This thing is awesome. This little thing is awesome. It has the little infrared beam on it, so you can lock in on your targets and everything. Now the controls, this side over here they use for just controlling the turret and whatnot. So even though I was wishing that this was gonna yaw the vehicle, we have the buttons here, so not too bad. It's all or nothing with the yaw and whatnot. And we have forward and backwards controlled by this here. Side sliding, so this thing slides. You can also play sort of laser tag with these. If another person has one of these, you can put it on game mode by hitting this versus button right here on the transmitter. But we have a few options on here. It lets you know over this side the speed if you're in low or high. You press it right here. You can turn the sounds on and off here. You can also reverse the controls with this button down here. So you shoot with these buttons up here. Either one of them will shoot the Orbeez out. But when you're in game mode, this side over here loads and this side over here shoots on the left shoulder. And so you can also lock the controls right here with this button in the middle right there. This button right here turns the infrared beam on and off. And this does a little, you can actually program the movements of this little tank. If you hit this button and then you give it a lot of movements or whatever, and then you press that button again, this tank will carry out those movements that you made with the sticks and all. I have it on low speed. Let me crank up the speed. It also comes with these glasses here, because of course shooting the Orbeez or whatnot, you don't want to get an eye injury. You don't want to get shot in the eye with an Orbeez. But for the most part, these little Orbeez are soft and they actually disintegrate almost to nothing. Once they dry out, they become a powder almost, and you can just easily sweep it up or whatnot. Once the moisture leaves these little Orbeez, they just turn to powder or whatnot. So pretty fun little toy, y'all. A little RC Mecanum wheeled tank with an awesome little turret with infrared beam on it and sound effects. The Veeniix V997. I'll have links in the description so y'all can check this out if you want to purchase it. Thanks for watching.